In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master timeline in Asana, 5 minutes. Start by logging into Asana. Once you're in, look toward the top bar and click the plus icon to create something new. From the menu that appears, choose New Project. When the setup window opens, pick Create Blank Project so you're starting fresh with just the essentials you need. Give your project a clear, recognizable name, like Master Timeline, so your team knows exactly what it's for. Click Continue. In the layout options, select Timeline as the primary view. This ensures the project opens in a visual, date-driven format that's perfect for planning across teams and initiatives. Then click Create Project. With your master timeline created, you can start adding tasks directly to it. Think of these as the high-level phases or milestones you want to track across your work. You can create placeholder tasks for major launches, reviews, or handoffs. This gives you a scaffold to build on. Now move into your existing projects and identify the key tasks or milestones that truly matter at the portfolio level. Things like kickoff, content complete, design freeze, development start, testing complete, or go live. For each of those important tasks, add it to your master timeline project as well. In Asana, this is called multi-homing. The same task can live in multiple projects without being duplicated. That means updates, comments, and status changes happen in one place and appear everywhere the task is referenced. As you build your master timeline, make sure every included task has both a start date and a due date. This is what creates a bar on the timeline, shows duration, and helps you spot overlaps. If a task is a milestone, set it as a single day item with a due date only. Next, map dependencies so the plan reflects real world sequencing. In Timeline View, drag the connector from one task to another to indicate which work must finish before the next can begin. This makes impacts and bottlenecks visible, and Asana will help you see when things conflict. Finally, go back to your master timeline project and switch to the timeline tab to see everything in one high-level view. Adjust the zoom to weekly or monthly to fit your planning horizon, and drag bars to fine-tune dates as needed. Consider using consistent naming and colors so teams can quickly scan for their streams of work. With this setup, you'll have a clear, living snapshot of how all your critical efforts align and a single source of truth your whole team can trust.